Hello everyone. So today we are going to do lead code contest. And here's the first question of the lead code contest. Basically, it is a easy level question, and as per the statement it says, given a string S consisting of only the characters A and B, return true if every A appears before every B in the string, otherwise return false. So it's pretty much straightforward that whatsoever string we are given with, we are simply required to check for the first B which we get, and if after that B we get A, then we are simply required to return false, else we will return true. So this is all with what we are required to do in this particular code. So here's the coding portion, that what is required to be done. So what we are doing is we are simply traversing this particular string S, and we are checking that if S of I equals to B, right? And then we are checking the edge case, that is I plus 1 should not be equals to S dot length. And then we are checking that if S of I plus 1 equals to A, then we are simply returning false at that moment only, because it will simply make the case that there is some A after B. So we are required to return false, else we are required to return true. So as we are traversing the whole string, so that's why the time complexity of this particular solution is order of n, where n is the length of the string, and the space complexity is simply order of 1, because we are not using any auxiliary space. So this was all for this particular question. Thank you.